So this is the vest that Chase got me, and it is made by, however you want to pronounce that, but it's got a lot of pockets, a lot of great features. So we'll start up here at the top. It's got these two top pockets here. I'm able to keep like a small first aid kit there, and then some extra sinkers. Keep like a little flashlight on here, and then on both sides it has these retractable slinkies for your clippers, hemos. These two pockets here, these two pockets are made, set up for flies. Get this open. Oh, it already was open. Well, anyways, they fold down like that, and got some strings to keep them level, and you can put all your flies in there. Both of these are the same like that. The whole bottom half of this zips off, so like if you were wearing waders, you're in deeper water, you didn't need the longer half. This whole bottom half zips off. It's got two really nice big pockets here. I got a tackle box in here, some spare worms, couple nice little mesh pockets. Same with this side, got some worms, got my other tackle boxes in there. On the inside, it's got an inside, it's even got like an inside pocket there. Inside pocket on this side, and then it's got some inside storage zippers that you can place things in. Well, the jacket zips up in the front, but it's also got a couple snaps. If you didn't want it zipped, you wanted it a lot looser. And one very cool feature about this is if you're wading rivers or streams or creeks, it's got a fly rod holder. Basically, this is made up for fly fishing, but smaller rods will work. You just put the butt end of your pole in here, and then run your pole here, and it will hold it against your chest so you can have both hands free while you're standing in the creek. Thought that was very cool. All the pockets got drainage holes if it gets wet. That's some nice mesh up on the back. The whole back is all nice and mesh for ventilation and thick collar. This is the back of the vest. You can see the mesh ventilation, and then all over the vest it has a lot of these D-style rings where you can hang stuff off of. What I thought was very cool about this is it's got these two large pockets in the back, and they could be for anything. You could store, a fire kit or snacks or whatever you wanted to, like a and then down here, this is the part that zips off. Down here it's got a whole another zipper. All this is open, and then these tie outs run around here where you can tighten it up against your waist if you needed. I really love this thing. It has so many pockets, so much storage. I can transfer all my fishing gear out of that bag into this vest and just have it ready to go. I used it the last time me and Chase went kayak fishing. Worked out very well. I didn't have to keep reaching for my bag. Everything was right on my chest, and it made it really convenient. I believe he got this at Dick's Sporting Goods, and I did not ask him what he paid, but that is the name of the vest. And this one is an extra large, but very awesome, very awesome.